2014 Dodge Ram Cummins. Beautiful truck inside and out. 2005 5.9 Cummins. 6-inch lift, 20x12s. Beautiful truck. 2014 2500 6.0 gas motor, lifted 7.5 inches on American forces. Tons of upgrades. 05 Powerstroke, 139,000 miles, fully bulletproofed, EGR delete, SCT tuner, FabTech lift, 20x12s, running 36 1550 Mickey Thompsons. Beautiful truck inside and out as well. Fully loaded Lariat. Look at the body lines down that thing. Beautiful. Monster truck. Sorry, not for sale. Subaru WRX STI, making 400 rear wheel horsepower. Thing sounds like a damn jet engine taking off. Beautiful car as well. 2012 F250 King Ranch. Beautiful truck as well. All of our vehicles 100% rust free, always in very good shape. Mechanically, they're always great, no issues. 04 F350 Powerstroke, lifted on 40s. Yes, it does have head studs, does have EGR delete, has upgraded injectors, SCT tuner as well. 2014 F250 Platinum. It's running 2214 American forces, custom powder coated. Same thing, beautiful 8-inch FabTech lift. Platinum. And you can see when the sun actually shines on them, you can see all the metallic. Beautiful truck. And this truck's actually at a killer deal. $46,000 will take home a 14 Platinum lifted on forces, riding on 40-inch Toyos. Just a brief preview of some of the stuff we have sitting out front of our shop. We have tons more in the back and tons more on their way in, as we always do. If you're looking for a lifted truck, we are quality every time. And we sit right on the front of 208. If you're familiar with Fredericksburg, you see Dairy Queen in the background. Mr. Tire, we're directly across the street, right behind Morton's BMW. We face right on 208. Look at all those lifted trucks. Come see us.